Okay, so just a little tip that I find very, very useful, right? If your phone has an app on it that actually talks back, take the time out to set it up because there are times when you're in your house and you put on your phone at one odd spot and you can just use the voice command and find the phone. For example, in my case, is Siri. So if I happen to in the house and I use my left hand put on the phone, I can't find it, I just keep on saying, hey Siri. And each time I say, hey Siri, I just walk around and listen for the response because Siri is likely to respond. Problem solved, we find my phone. Let me demonstrate to it. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. See? We had a problem solved. Hey Siri.
I wanted to sell Chromiates. Excuse me. Me and my sister Mary over here trying to have a conversation and every second you interrupt me. Me not have no time for the foolishness, okay? Every blasted second of the day you lose your phone. Hey Siri, hey Siri. Like me not have nothing to do. You think me a eyeglass? Young boy like you not supposed to have Alzheimer's problem, man. You poor nine.
So Siri, oh yeah, deal with me so strong. We just try to tell the people them how they can't find them phone if they misplace it.
Oh, you think I saw it go? So when them a call hey Siri, I think I say you them a call out of your sleep? Huh? You're willing to pick up a shift, boss man? Oh, yeah, look something for tell people. Tell people say I read up about Viagra and tell them what up a nasty website. Them tough, I'm gonna pull up your search history.